speaking a foreign language?
No.
No. Okay. Can I ask you the questions? Ooh. Oh, that would be good. You get twist, right?
Oh man, you got me. All right, well, I'll refocus. This is the best one by far. It's my first win beating the West. I've never won before, so obviously the East is stronger, and we showed that tonight. Playing a game, you know, going in the hot tub, having a cold beer. It was the perfect ending to a great night.
I've never seen that actually. I was surprised. I was like, at first I didn't know if they were unhappy with what I was doing out there, and then like all of a sudden someone's stinky socks come down, and then I realized that it's part of the ceremonies here.
Oh, it's always great to be back. I love Colorado. I love Denver. Certainly the fans here are outstanding, and they've been incredible to me.